Captain, she's highly trained. Deception, infiltration, extraction. She's special forces.
Iden Versio. Inferno Squad. Commander Versio. You must be important. Look at me. So let's talk facts. That's what I'm here for. You have the activation code. I've got the ability to help you out. Just give me the code. You know we can really use someone like you. Just help me and I'll help you. It's that easy. I'm gonna get what I want eventually. My best technicians are slicing into your droid right now. Take on my offer. All I want is the code. The Empire's time has come. You don't have to go down with it.
You're right. The Empire's time has come. VZ-626. VZ-626.
What have we here? An ID-10 tactical droid. You're way more advanced than the ID-9. Slicing into you is not going to be easy.
Might I suggest a less invasive procedure?
Wish I could, but we don't have the droid's access code.
Might I suggest finding the access code?
The captain's working on that in the detention center. Until then, the only way to access this droid's data is to pry the memory core out of its shell.
Analysis shows this ID-10 has been modified with an electroshock probe.
Which can't do it.
The ID-10 has been remotely activated.
Droid, execute the plan. Download the ship schematics from their computers, then come find me.
That is what I would say if anyone could hear, which they cannot. That's not allowed.
Use the ventilation system to reach me.
Please, stop that! Oh, why do I bother?
Get moving, droid.
You worry too much. Do I? You know who's in our cell block, right? Something. What the? Fence are acting up again. There's nothing special about it. Exactly. Someone told the new test all over one of his moves. You ever heard of the same?
Command wants to report on that Imperial transmission we intercepted. Hey,
how's that decryption coming along? Command is expecting updates before Endor if possible.
Taking longer than expected. The encryption is surprisingly complex. I'll do what I can to hurry things up, but no promises.
I'll pass it along.
Incoming message from Master Hardware. Key personnel, please report to the briefing room immediately.
There are too many rebels outside my cell. Find another way.
Intercept the Imperial message, then we capture a Special Forces trooper. Plus, they just located the new Death Star. Yeah, they're printing in every gold sword, green sword, corona sword, blade sword, red sword. 40 more Empire.
Ejected central catacomb cell. Enter in lockdown. Please maintain security protocol.
Lockdown. You'll need to deactivate it from one of their terminals. Contact me when it's done.
How does it look? You were right. This iron cannon's power coupling is fried.
If you're done, regroup with me. It's time.
I hear you through the vent. You're close.
Right on time. Let's go.
Agent Hask, do you read me?
Loud and clear, Commander Versio. You're right on time.
I'm moving to the communications center.
Copy that.
Once I've located and destroyed the stolen Imperial message, I will signal for extraction. Droid, open the cell.
Hey, that's enough! You're locked up until after Endor. After that, we'll figure out what to do with you.
Have the rebels figured out you wanted to be caught?
Never crossed their mind.
To be fair, we're operating outside protocol. We should have just blown up their ship.
Would have raised too many questions. For this to work, we need to be subtle.
I understand, Commander.
Now, you are aware of the beacon directing Alliance ships to the Galan system. With this ruse, we will demand...
The rebels still think we don't know about Sullust.
Slice, please.
It's time. We're heading to Sullust to meet with the rest of the fleet.
Just got coordinates from the captain. Let's prime the hyperdrive.
I can't believe it's finally happening.
Like it's the biggest battle you've ever seen.
You're up.
Can we check on that Imperial transmission again? We're almost out of time.
I got yelled at last time. I'm not going back in there.
Agent Task, I've reached the communications center. Deleting the message will trigger their alarm. Be ready for extraction.
Understood.
Droid, slice that. I've located the encrypted intel.
This is not threat. We have new orders. The Imperial fleet will move to the far side of Endor. There we will wait for the rebels to attack. Then...
Purge complete. There's nothing for the rebels to learn.
Attention! An Imperial prisoner has escaped. She is extremely dangerous. Find her!
Agent Task, it's time.
Beginning preparations.
I'll secure a blaster and reach the extraction point. I'm on the move.
So is the Corvus.
Slice this.
1.
Agent Hask.
Commander on deck.
At ease.
Mission accomplished, Commander.
0 casualties. Looks like you're still second in command.
Oh, I'm patient. I can wait.
Agent Miko. Those jump calculations were perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope the landing wasn't too rough.
Been through worse. Remember the Job S incursion?
Still haunts my dreams.
Contact the Admiral.
Yes, Commander. And the message?
The fleet's location is still safe. Today, the rebellion dies.
Piet. Get me Inferno Squad, now.
Commander Versio, report.
We have eyes on a rebel recovery team, Admiral, but we're too late to capture the saboteurs.
What is the status of the Death Star's shield generator?
Worse than expected. There's no way to repair or reactivate.
Then our battle station is vulnerable. Eliminate the rebels and return to the Corvus. The Emperor's plan must not fail.
Yes, sir. Agent Hask with me. Agent Miko, cover us from here. One target, dead ahead. Follow my lead.